Hello, so today I found this cloud dough recipe and I think it'll be pretty fun to make this. And I was super curious because all it takes is lotion, cornstarch, and food dye, which is optional. So I'm going to gather all of my materials, and basically you need a half a cup of lotion and 1 cup of cornstarch and a few drops of food dye. So go gather that now and we'll try this. Okay, so I have all my stuff ready. I have the recipe right here, and it calls for a half a cup of lotion. So add a half a cup of lotion to food coloring. So I have a fourth a cup. I don't have a half a cup, but a fourth a cup will do 2/4 of a cup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squirt my lotion into this measuring cup. Again, it might be a little bit messy. Okay, here's how we're gonna do this if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for holding this fast. So we're gonna pour this, right? Oh yeah. Let's just plop that in there. Okay, that is about enough for, I think I'm gonna make 2 small batches, but I'm gonna start making a small one first. So a fourth a cup would be okay. Now for our half a cup of cornstarch, I will go wash my utensils so they can go into the cornstarch. Okay, so I have this red food dye, and oh no, I'm bleeding. Just dye, it's just dye, don't worry, just dye. We're gonna add 2 drops because I really like, whoa, I make lots of noise in the kitchen. Ooh, yeah. So there's that beautiful pink color we've wanted. So 2 drops for this amount. And I'm gonna scoop this around here. Okay, into a corner so that it works better. So right here, we're gonna do a half of a cup of corn. Okay, sorry about that. My camera wasn't working. So I mixed the cornstarch, well, for me, the half a cup, for you, probably the cup of cornstarch in. And if it gets crumbly like this, you need to add more lotion. This is just scraps. I might want to add some. I have my finished thing right there, but I want to show you how to make it. Okay, that is a lot. Okay, perfect. I think that is perfect. So we're mixing this in really, really well. We want a nice consistency. It almost feels like a cloud, like it says it's supposed to. Cloud dough. So, my friends, we will mix this into here with your messy, messy hands. I have old gum in my mouth and it does not taste good. No, I didn't. It's not old gum. I've just been chewing it for a while. Okay, I can't make the situation any better. It's not old gum that you found like off of. Oh. Okay, don't film me, please. Thank you. Okay, so you have this wonderful, lovely. Oh, okay. Let me put this. Put that there. Put this right here. You have this wonderful, lovely, your choosing of color dough. And so I'm gonna add 1 more drop because we wanted that vibrant red. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in here. Want to touch it? I think you'll like it. Let me just mix the color. Do you like it? Okay, so my nanny really likes it, so I think it's something that you guys will like. Oh, that's not good. It looks like blood. Okay, so I'm gonna mix around the color. You're supposed to, of course, add it, earlier, but I didn't know we'd need that much dye. So probably in that step, if you're not following along with me, which if you are, it's too late. Try to add a lot in with the lotion step. So this is a half a batch. I think a full batch would make a lot, but I think a half a batch is a good amount for like a kid, because a kid can't have a big clump of it. It's hard to play with. So yeah, this is a really nice dough, and I promise I will leave the link to this in the description if you want a more detailed thing, because I like detailed recipes. This website has very detailed recipes, and like if they have photos for each step, it helps a lot. So yeah, this is super awesome, and now I'm gonna have an expert player with her play with it and tell me what they fully think about it.
It's really good.
It feels really good.
So soft.
It's really
so
soft.
Nice.
Yeah, this is really nice. So if you want, you can try this out. It's really easy. There's only 2 or 3 materials. If you don't have food dye, don't worry, you'll still get that amazing texture. And this is just a beautiful cloud to play with. You could keep this in like a tin container, and they said on the recipe, if it gets dried out, add more lotion. So this is beautiful. I'll put it here. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to rate my website 5 stars and join my mailing list. And my mailing list is so you can get a notification for all my videos. So hope you're having a nice day. Bye!